Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 and welcome to day seven of the 2019 live meditation experience here in the Bliss In community on Facebook. I cannot believe we made it through a whole week, and let me tell you, it's been a rough one. The last 3 days, me having some incident or circumstance that made me late or had me forgetting the meditation entirely. Today was funny. My little one, my 4-year-old Annie, actually took my phone and I had no idea where it was this morning, so I wasn't able to do the meditation at all, but thankfully we found it, and now I'm coming to you live after church, and it's kind of perfect because first I'm going to share a little story with you and why missing out on this morning's meditation actually allowed me to offer you the best one for a Sunday for beginning your week. And if you're watching this in the middle of the week, this is going to be the perfect meditation to just hit that reset button and begin again. So today I'm sharing a mantra from my book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, which is backwards here, but again, it's You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, available wherever books are sold. The mantra is also in the video description. And it is, I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. So this morning I lost my phone. Getting 3 of the kids ready for church was chaotic. My 15-year-old was making fun about the little ones and saying how they got ready but somehow got unready and then ready again and then unready again over the course of 15 minutes as he was helping me out. And that was true. They were putting their boots on and taking them off. It was snowing outside. They were complaining and changing their clothes. So I got into the car. One of them was crying. The other one was complaining. And I was like, dude, you look like you're on the struggle bus for real, to the 15-year-old. And he's like, yeah, I'm on the struggle bus. That's what we call it when we're just like struggling, having a hard time. You're riding on the struggle bus. And being the corny, eternally optimistic mother that I am, who is full of ridiculous sayings and mantras, says, well, it's time to turn in that ticket for the struggle bus, hop on off, jump on the express bus to Happyville and turn this day around. And yes, it was corny, but it's exactly what I wanted us all to do. I wanted us all to hit that reset button, jump off the struggle bus, to say, I don't need to be going where the struggle bus is going, and then hop on the express bus to Happy Town, to Joyville. We ended up going to church. We had a fantastic time, and the entire time during the sermon, during the service, I was trying to lean into that feeling of saying that, you know, the day wasn't going great and I'm not in the best mood, but this is my opportunity to choose a different way. And even though my circumstances are not ideal, even though I'm not feeling great, I am showing up in perfect spirit, in perfect intention. So it works out. So that's what I'm going to offer you today. I want you now to go ahead and find your easy or comfortable seat, and that means just sit in whatever way that feels good for you. I would like you, though, to be sitting up nice and tall, with a straight line from the crown of your head all the way down to your seat, so that energy may flow freely through you, so that you can be a perfect channel today for good energy. And you can do that by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears like so, and then exhaling your shoulder blades down along your spine. Your hands can be downturned on your knees or thighs, or upturned to receive the energy around you. Again, your crown is pointing towards the sky or the ceiling, and your chin is parallel to the floor. If it feels good to you right now, good and safe, you can close your eyes, or you may choose to keep your eyes open and focused on something across the room or my face on your screen. Bringing your attention to your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. I want you to recall that mantra that I offered to you just a few minutes ago. I accept myself as I am now. I accept myself as I am now. Flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. Go ahead and inhale big. Exhale, release. I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance and circumstance only, but perfect in spirit. Stress is inevitable in our lives. Stress is something that comes in from the outside and that we can internalize or we can choose to see for what it is. Something that is outside of our control, outside of our creation, but something that we can react to in any way that we choose. Stress happens. Stuff, to be polite, happens. But we have the power to choose our reaction. We have the option to choose peace over panic. We hold the ability to step down off that struggle bus and get on that express bus to Happy Town, to Joyville. We choose the direction that our energy flows. I want you to accept my words and this meditation offering today with the lightness in which it's delivered. Stress is real, heartache, pain, struggle, obstacles, all of these things are real, but we can choose to take all of it in the spirit of lightness. We are perfect in spirit. We can remain perfect in intention. We can be perfect in the way that we show up. Our circumstances may be flawed, but our spirits are always perfect. We are always perfect channels for the divine. We are perfectly made, and we are perfectly loved. So accept these words and this meditation offering with the lightness in which it's offered. Know that you can hit the reset button right now in this moment and choose lightness for the rest of your week. And with your next inhale and exhale, feel the lightness on the exhale as you release all that does not serve you. Inhale with me. Exhale, release. Inhale, fill up with vibrant light energy. Exhale, let go. One more time, really filling up with energy all the way to your fingertips, all the way to your toes. Exhale, let it all go. If it feels good right now, prepare to open your eyes and return to the day. Allow a smile to appear on your face. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Did you jump off the struggle bus? Did you see yourself stepping off the bus out on the street, waving down the express bus to Happy Town, to Joyville? I promise you, my children live a very corny existence because I love this stuff. It's not that I've never known struggle and strife. It's not that I've never known pain. It's not that I haven't experienced trauma, huge obstacles, abuse in my life. I get it. I get it, folks. I'm here with you. But the most beautiful thing that I've discovered through my journey to healing my anxiety, dealing with my depression, dealing with all that stuff that's outside of my control, is that I can still choose my reaction. I choose to smile. I choose to show up. I choose to be in community and in fellowship with other people that are lights in this world. It's why I go to church. It's why I love coming and hanging out with you. It's why I have events in my home studio where I welcome beautiful souls into my home for learning and community. Shit happens. Right? Shit happens. Bad stuff happens. Big and little. And all of it can rock us. All of it can throw us off of our balance. But we can choose to get back up. And sometimes the choice to get back up requires us reaching out and saying, "Can you help me up?" And sometimes it requires us to reach out and help somebody else up. All of these are soul nourishing and purpose fulfilling, but all require a choice to step up, to ask for help, to reach out to help someone else. We're in this together, folks, riding that struggle bus together, calling each other off the struggle bus together, jumping on the express bus to Happy Town and to Joyville together. All of us together, all the time, doing this thing, walking each other home, loving it up, and feeling really good and perfect in spirit despite our flawed circumstances. So one more time, that mantra that I want you to carry throughout this week and always, like it's yours and it's in my book. You have 4 minutes to change your life. I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. I accept myself as I am now, flawed in circumstance, but perfect in spirit. And I love you because I see the perfection in you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Leave your comments below. I am here to serve you and to receive your love. That was a good one. Let's do this again.